What is up, guys? Started. But it is a cool day out here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and today I'm going to be working on Ruby, just trying to fix this exhaust leak so I don't have to go out and buy another xpipe for the third time. So I'm going to try to pull it in the garage, see if I can get it worked and done. If not, I will have to buy another one, which is kind of annoying, but we'll just see what happens. So let's get it done. He's outside about to freeze to death, and let's get a nice little cold start.
Yeah.
Didn't start. Oh, sweet. Let's move it in the garage and we'll get her going.
Trying to go on the blocks. I don't think they're center.
Alright, well, we got her in. We get her jacked up. Thanks, babe. So, let's get it started. Oh, yeah, I'm not too far off. Oh, well. It's up enough to jack it up. Low car life. Alright, let's get this in. I like how I set those up. That's not the fire visor. But, I'm going to go ahead and set up this light right here. Oh yeah, that cleared up there. Some video footage. Alright, well, let's get this thing jacked and set. Oh, shiitake. Alright, get under here and see. Alright, guys. So, let's go ahead and get this set up. Everything else, babe's out here helping me for a little bit. But I'm gonna get under the car, see if what I can find that is causing this leak, because it is literally like down here off of the headers. Can't even get the light on there, it's so tight inside. But we'll figure out, see what's popping down there, and get back to you. That's one.
Wow.
Oh, it's fine. I'll get it. Good job, babe. You're awesome. Alright, guys, so it's been about 45 minutes since I put some of the sealant stuff around the exhaust, try to seal it up. Don't know if it's going to work, but I just want to try it, try to know a little bit of something to get this exhaust leak off, because I really just don't want to spend the money for a new xpipe. So we'll see what happens. There we got it. That's right. So I'm just look at it, check it out and see if it is good. If it is, I'm gonna start it up and see if I hear the little pop pop that it's leaking. So let's find out. All right, see if I can hear this leak. I hope to God it's not leaking. I don't hear it. I do hear it. Crap. Yep, I heard it. So, gonna have to buy a new xpipe. I want to, but I have to buy a new xpipe to fix this problem. But it's okay though, because I have some new mufflers to put on the car as well, and I'll show you those right now. Alright guys, so here we go on these. Get this opened up and voila. Got me some SLP bullet style mufflers, the loudmouth ones, and these are going to be nice, aren't they, babe? Can't wait to put these on. These things are going to scream. Really want to get the exhaust leak fixed before I put them on, so don't know about it, but we'll just have to see what happens. But until then, I'll see you guys on an update on it. We'll probably take it to the exhaust shop and see what they can do. I just do not want to buy another pipe, but I might have to. So, until then, I'll see you guys later. Tell them, man. You gotta tell them.